What are some of the biggest mistakes I see guys making on their profile? Not smiling, not looking at the camera, taking photos, just whatever they find in their phone and making it like, hey, let's just use the photos that we see in our phone rather than being strategic about the photos that you show. Your dating profile is like a trailer to your movie. You want the women who look at your profile to be really excited when they see the trailer to your movie, to want to go on a date with you, right? To go see the movie. You want to curate the photos that you select to really represent yourself. Another huge mistake that people make on their dating profiles is they don't put very much information about themselves there. They use a lot of generalizations. They're very vague. It doesn't really tell you anything about them. It doesn't set them apart in any way from the competition. And on dating apps, there is a lot of competition. The market is saturated. All you have to do is swipe left to get rid of a profile that you don't want to see. So you really want to polarize your audience, show off those things about you that's really distinctive and unique. You don't want to be like everybody else. So being vague, not filling in a bunch of details, not saying something like just ask, all of that is really bad for dating profiles because A, you're not helping the algorithm match you with people who are compatible with you, because part of how they match you is through keyword matching. So if you're just being vague, then the keywords that they're going to match you with on the women's profiles or vice versa are going to be vague, and that's not going to create any kind of compatibility. So, not being specific enough, saying just ask, using poor photos, not smiling in those photos, not looking at the camera, all of these things are huge mistakes that I see men and women make all the time on their dating profiles.